순간이동 마법을 눈앞에서 봤는데
You haven't seen the TV commercial for these?
No.
It uses one little microchip right there. It incorporates software from different grocery stores, so you can make your lists on the front of it. Like, look, so if you put grapes, celery,
Orange
juice,
Milk.
milk, beer. That sounds like a good deal.
Yeah.
Orange juice, milk, and beer. When you sync it, everything we ordered, it will download from the cloud.
Oh, wait a minute. This wasn't in there before?
No.
This is the most unbelievable thing I've ever seen in my life.